How many times have you found yourself drowning in administrative tasks, wishing for a magic wand to streamline your business operations, especially when it comes to getting paid? If you're a home service business owner, you know the struggle is real. From scheduling to invoicing, managing your cash flow can feel like a full-time job in itself. You're out there, doing the hard work, fixing leaky faucets, mowing lawns, painting houses, but then comes the inevitable question. How do I actually get paid, and how can I make that process as smooth as possible for both me and my customers? This isn't just about collecting money. It's about efficiency, professionalism, and ultimately, the health of your business. If your payment system is clunky, unreliable, or hard to use, it can lead to delayed payments, frustrated customers, and a significant drain on your valuable time. Imagine spending hours chasing down overdue invoices or dealing with bounced checks instead of focusing on what you do best. It's a common pain point, and it's why understanding the ins and outs of your chosen business management platform's payment system is absolutely crucial. Today, we're diving deep into a question that many of you using or considering Jobber have asked. What payment system does Jobber use? It's a critical question because how you get paid directly impacts your bottom line and your customer relationships. We're not just going to tell you the answer. We're going to explore what that means for your business, the benefits it offers, and how it integrates seamlessly into the broader Jobber ecosystem. By the end of this video, you'll have a clear understanding of Jobber's payment processing, allowing you to make informed decisions and optimize your financial operations. So, let's cut to the chase. Jobber primarily uses its own integrated payment processing solution, aptly named Jobber Payments. This isn't just a third-party plugin. It's a natively built system designed to work hand-in-hand with every other feature within Jobber. Think of it as the financial engine that powers your Jobber account, allowing you to accept payments directly within the platform, rather than juggling multiple systems. Why is this important? The beauty of Jobber Payments lies in its seamless integration. When you create an invoice in Jobber, your customers can pay it directly online with just a few clicks. This eliminates the need for them to mail checks, call in credit card numbers, or use separate payment portals. It simplifies the entire payment experience for your clients, making it more convenient and increasing the likelihood of faster payments. For you, it means less administrative burden, fewer errors, and a centralized view of all your financial transactions. Jobber Payments supports a variety of payment methods, catering to the diverse preferences of your customers. This includes major credit and debit cards like Visa, MasterCard, American Express, and Discover. This broad acceptance ensures that your customers can pay using their preferred method, removing potential barriers to payment. Furthermore, Jobber Payments also facilitates bank transfers, allowing for direct debit from your customers' bank accounts, which can be particularly useful for larger invoices or recurring services. One of the significant advantages of using an integrated system like Jobber Payments is the automation it brings. Once a payment is made, it's automatically recorded and reconciled within your Jobber account. No more manual data entry, no more guesswork about which invoices have been paid. This automation saves you significant time, reduces the risk of human error, and provides you with real-time insights into your cash flow. You can see at a glance who has paid, who is overdue, and what your outstanding balances are, empowering you to make proactive financial decisions. Security is another paramount concern when it comes to handling payments, and Jobber takes this very seriously. Jobber Payments is built with industry-standard security measures to protect both your business and your customers' sensitive financial information. This includes encryption protocols and compliance with Payment Card Industry Data Security Standard, or PCI DSS, which is a set of security standards designed to ensure that all companies that process, store, or transmit credit card information maintain a secure environment. This gives you and your customers peace of mind, knowing that their financial data is handled securely. Let's talk about fees. Like any payment processor, Jobber Payments does have transaction fees. These fees are typically a small percentage of the transaction amount, plus a small flat fee per transaction. Jobber is transparent about these fees, and they are generally competitive with other major payment processing services. The exact rates can vary based on your plan and the type of transaction, e.g., in-person versus online. it's always a good idea to check Jobber's current pricing for the most up-to-date fee structure. While there's a cost associated, the benefits of convenience, automation, and improved cash flow often far outweigh these fees. Beyond online payments, Jobber also offers options for accepting payments in the field. With the Jobber mobile app, you can process credit card payments directly from your smartphone or tablet. This is incredibly convenient for businesses that collect payment upon completion of service. You can swipe, tap, or manually enter card details, and the payment is immediately processed and recorded within Jobber. This eliminates the need for separate POS systems and ensures all your payment data is centralized. What about recurring payments? For businesses offering subscription-based services or payment plans, Jobber Payments simplifies this process too. You can set up recurring invoices and automatically charge your customers' cards on a set schedule. This is a game changer for predictable revenue streams, reducing the manual effort of sending out invoices each month and chasing down payments. While Jobber Payments is their primary integrated solution, it's worth noting that Jobber also offers integrations with other payment gateways, though the native Jobber payment system is generally the most seamless and recommended option for most users. These integrations might be useful for businesses with existing relationships with other payment processors or specific regional requirements. However, for the full power of automation and centralized management, Jobber Payments is designed to be the optimal choice within the Jobber ecosystem. In essence, Jobber has invested significantly in developing a robust, secure, and user-friendly payment system that is deeply integrated into its platform. They understand that for home service businesses, getting paid efficiently is not a luxury, but a necessity. By offering Jobber Payments, they provide a comprehensive solution that streamlines the entire financial workflow, from quoting and invoicing to payment collection and reconciliation. This allows you to spend less time on administrative tasks and more time on serving your customers and growing your business. It transforms the often dreaded process of collecting money into a smooth, professional, and automated experience. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.